Okay guys, going back to market and doing something for a little Kojak in the group. Again, this is consistency and we're going to be looking at oil now. It's showing good signs, so let me just flick that over. We're looking to catch the break of this particular candle here, so let's just drop in quick order. It's a scalp. So we're going to try and keep it inside the range. I'm going to adjust the targets in just a second, but let me show you where this is coming from. It's actually a 14 pip target. It's gone into market now, which is here. So what it's telling me to do is I've got a red light, green light telling me to buy it. So that's good. I've got it as a trade of a buy because the low time frames and the dominance are buy. However, there is indecision inside the market, which means it's a scalp. It's a bit risky. So medium TP of 14. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to adjust that now. So let me just shift that over here. So I've put that in at 20. So we're going to take that down to about 15. That'll do. Okay. Now, there are other elements I need to take into account. I'll show you that in just a second. But just so I can just show you something. Just pull this back down. The guys are all having a bit of a chin wag at the moment. Bulls and Bears. There we go. It's for little Kojak here who dropped a bollock and lost his drawings. So thought, right, okay, I'll try and help. So I marked it up, told him what I thought of it. Then broke down the trade idea and told them what I thought the trade idea was going to be. And then for those who are a bit late at the party, that sheet also goes in and it tells them exactly what I'm up to. Okay, so that's what that's all about. Now the next part of this, if I'm scalping it up to there, I like to build a trade. I never go 100% to market. I find that's just stupid. So what I have to do is figure out where I would go if I'm wrong. Well, there are two major swing points here. There's one there and there's one here. And I like two barriers between any trade that I take. So my last point of entry would be down around this yellow line. And then if it goes beyond that, I'm wrong. So you'll see additional orders coming in and then to punch back up to there. Okay, so that's what I'm up to. And away we go. Now, just as a quickie on this, just so you can see it, let's zoom this out slightly. There's no reason why you wouldn't buy this. There is a possibility that there's going to be a pullback soon because that'll push up, consolidation, then come down and then move back up. But in the meantime, it is consolidating in and around this area. There's no reason why this can't punch up a little bit higher. Put that down onto a daily and you'll see the reason behind it. So you got to remember is we're scalping here. We're looking for short-term movement, but that is a general direction of up. We look at the 4 hour. The bigger move is to the upper side, which we can see. Drop it down into the hourly. Yes, it's pulling against this and drop through, but if it is going to punch up and retest this, well, we've got a good opportunity. Now here, I'm going to capitalize on this moving down to bounce back up. Okay, so there we go. Okay guys, it's pushing up onto 2 o'clock and it's also hit a monetary target. It's just dropped back slightly, but I think as soon as that does about 200 quid, I'm going to kill it out. Right, there we go. So I'm going to kill it off now. So we've taken out an extra 200 quid. So just make certain I get my tickets off. That's it. So why have I done that? Well, I like to reassess things at the top of the hour, and this is essentially a scalp. And because it's a scalp, I never really want to hold it any longer than I have to. I can take the money and reassess it, and if I choose to go back to market, brilliant. But I also have a figure in my head all the time. If I can get 200 quid a trade, I'm quite happy with that. Let me kind of show you. If I pull this into shot, there it is there. When you hit 200 plus, kill it. Right? Because all I'm interested in is moving forward time and time. Now, if I choose to go to market multiple times, which I have today, there you go. Done quite well. I'm happy with this. Did have to sacrifice that one bit there. But other than that, I'm quite pleased. So that was for you, Kojak. It was a little bit extra. I didn't really want to go to market, which is why I wasn't going to push it. And get in, get out. And as I showed you on the Discord, your homework really pays off. Do your homework. When you go to chart, the rest of it's a breeze. If you just switch the machine on and then try and start banging sort of buttons going, oh, this looks good, that looks good, oh, look at this, oh, this is amazing. Yeah, well, why is it amazing? If you haven't done your homework, you don't know. So you don't know if it's a good trade or a bad trade. And that's it, really. So happy days. So there you are. So it's just, again, show a bit of consistency. Happy days. I'm done for the week. It's good. Yeah, I've made enough today to do the week.
Very good.
So I'll go on holiday next week, but I've got loads of nights.
I don't know. I can fit things in.
I know. I am setting off traveling quite a bit. Just going to make what I need, and then away we go. Watch this. If we can't go next week, do you want to go the week after?
You know I'll say yes. That's why I said it.
Well, we've only got 6 weeks to wait. And just case in point, just so I can show you something before I flick away. I was right to kill it when I did, because the top of the hours come in and thump it, it would have given the money back. So again, targeting, not only to a pip target, a money target, but also a time target, pays off. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.